Temu ababedru baby a yedri or say we are singing amra chebedwa bia no abekwa benkum ye wo maduonu na nifanso ye wo maduonu na wo nyina so tumi kabom eye adwuma no.
That is a divine creation where the independent member traces his root to one of the parties, the New Patriotic Party. And the impartial speaker traces his roots to one of the political parties. The National Democratic Congress. I don't know where in the world you've ever got a parliament like this. And so when you people created this unique human institution for us, it became very difficult to apply the rules that were crafted for a majoritarian parliament.
On Monyam for Aban Kingsford Suman Babin. One on yet sending his workers and which way, and I'm Rachabe Jenny or Asuquaba Tompesia so Yamami Patricia PJ, one also the Kakra account.
Financial control or the power of oversight and ratification of agreements must be highlighted and displayed continuously to disabuse the minds of citizens that parliamentarians can do everything under the sun. This will certainly motivate the cultivation of career MPs, not persons who would like to enter parliament with personal and vindictive agenda. As Ghanaians, we should all be encouraged to protect the gains of our democracy and contribute our quota to leading a better and peaceful Ghana for the next generation.
Yamame Patricia PJ and yet in Kano. Akane National Security Minister Francis Pokuya Papedi Assembia Betuja, Senka Krakranwa, Wamaino, Kabimamin Kabino, Emujidi Yefrimu, was here Nani Pebi Susu, Titibremu Yak, Aya, a soldier fortune to Bramai, Ebedi, Wamana Swan, Kenya, Soja Bani Mumua Kepe, was in Naya, she Binumua, and to me, Enwe Paye, and a cocofas how no, any insomning in answer so, Ede Eba, Nesenti. And what is science me at the Eba to say young Momodia Sebetoto, Yaniaman Suye, that to me abwaying, Amasawa hounding in also at me every year so. Now what they are saying at Suja, Nina, a Jumedia son quiet Coswenra, Sa Bejamu and Churchilla Necoso Ghana Armed Forces Command Staff College, and we Francis Pokudisa and Semi at the Eba Tumu was say answer na the 1992 Constitution Ebabe Jumano, Wamani Yakwan and Pablo Sun Bessa. No sono na Ghana this year nya de nya baby e de na yesi e de na beba se ne nipa bebre susu se Kenya soja banya ye pe enu nti e braso se e betumi atoto ye ne yie ne etumi akoye nem.
As you know, advisors came in and that was the beginning of the end, and I can assure you if that advice had been heeded, Ghana would have been a different country by now. But then after that, because we're going through a period of what you call democracy. When you have a strong person who occupies the throne for a very long time, strong in the sense that he knows how to get rid of the rules. So when he's not there, all kinds of things open up. Anger and all the factionalism come up again. And government don't survive. So after Nkrumah School was the beginning of Anana, as you know, and we did not, advisors came in, and that was stability. Governments did not last for more than 27 months until the 1992 Constitution of the end. And I can assure you, so that advice, this is a test. And I believe in heeded, Ghana would have been a different country by now.
Wey ye papa Francis Poku and yet saying can no. Na ye to akasi abone so afoto sanso for Dr. Mohammed Amin Adam. And as abredi e wode so body bab bobo Gatanga Central Mrashebe Jani papa Isaac Adongo. Wasi waka hu bi pa waye mu ma say to and I sidi no wo to move to Sudigu Ghana for any. Na wase we say the sidi no ni America dollars no ko gina to kwani mu a na ye bibia wo ho no a. Wonde betumi aka ni pray nye se pray fa sorry to frase wana chese e wom se baabi e pesi eduro ne enu die nanso no kakrakra afie baabi e wono wo de to frase enweye nanso papa Azeki Adongo ebe kan nsem atumfutro de agunkrofo ani de papa Amin Adam e kan se Ganafo ene adwadifo monkoso anya aban ni mu gidie no mu kuso ade nhye papa de agu akwam ase kasa aya mefutika ye hwehwe ne kura ene ye ya ba beduru ane sai de tumu a ene me nyina betumi aboana mpempenso papa ye hwehwe no ye.
We have said over and over that the problems with the city can also largely be attributed to speculation. And therefore, whilst we'll be making effort to influence market sentiments positively, we also know that some other people are inciting speculation. We have had intelligence that people have been deliberately inciting speculation, but we never got it too real as we saw only 2 or 3 days ago when my good friend and my brother, the Honorable Adongo, went out there urging people to buy dollars to do their business. And this was after I indicated at the town hall meeting in London that with all the policies we are implementing, with the flows that we are expecting from external sources, and with the completion of our restructuring, the debt restructuring with our bilateral official creditors as well as our Eurobond holders, we saw the city becoming stronger and stronger.
Way your mind for Trosanso for Dr. Amin Adam and yet saying Kano. Yara Quine said your money will prevent FEMSA confirmed in Hoko Fem. I am a Focopa Bessiano Sicandia Tosomi and Sa Babato accounts no woman to Crobia de Wabino, yet to me Eddie being so at Chechia. Na yen I watching yem, said your Benes Cabe to me aboa. Enra July was so many Diana, Eddie a kind Dr. Amin Adam. Ya on ya for Trosanso for so I am a from Penny 4. And into near Quacho Roni Pebian, come on, my Bumu, or my Baron Crater, my receipt in your menemu, Amanshe Papa, Ghana, Diego Aquemu, Avesica Saman, Wama Jatum Print Chine. And you hear Ben, I watch a woman con a year. Ah, Sicano Beba, Amadi was so, they was through, Nina Danso, Etumiaye, and William say Ediama, Wamano.
Stay the course on the implementation of the $3 billion 3-year IMF supported was COVID-19 program for economic growth, PCPEG. We successfully hosted an IMF mission in April 2024, which came to Ghana to undertake the second review of the implementation of the program. This is coming after an earlier approval of the first review in January 2024. This is yet an important positive development in our journey towards macroeconomic stability.
Way air for Trosanso for Munyam for Dr. Amin Adam. Ebusian force ye bedroni ye bechano do soa. Nina ye OCP Ghana. One minute the OCP fertilizer dia be jama so ebo na nanmo kuafo. Na nanom na so dia no party a osio won twetwede koba. Mienye bidie ko wiase na se niema no kosi twetwa. Na de hawa ba no ti no OCP Ghana fo akofa OCP fertilizers dia ba. Say aso to atosode ne yedua eni nuanom ekeka ho ni nyina no. Wei ena fertilizer odi begu so na etumi aboa papa wo say o memu ba bia ye true fertilizers na eton ne mako no wo betumi anya bi na so de adua wadua de ye atosode no na asodoso ti ahomanum 0325 909 437 and 0325 909 433 abusha for da soda ye wanopa no nsia kase bonimu Sompa TV o somfo hini ni amakrancha da so sabre maja kentenwa me fire ya me brasti baby ala bombe so eka ho ebiem onumonya foketi ha mon ya danse so kwamra sebedwani wonni adwade esuafo no de abetu dwase ya maame ne papa no ma wo ye sonomante no wo mo de bibi sie Ghana fo papa pa mo mpese ehunu mu enu nti o mate abedwakuo senka o mo ne ewura no mu nkasa ne ehunu adekode airport yakote bayira wo mamu enam so ya na ma sonomante ne bo no akosoro no wo ma abono meeting enum wo mo fra ewura no ne ma na de other task force no ano Professor Alex Jodu eno de aba betu dwa ho kirem se wo mo ne wo mo hia se die ne wo mu a ema cement ne bo no etimi kwosoro ntenten so mo se alata momo enkwada sonomante no factory price ba ko yesen eno so mo se wo mo nka eti akwa bibia wo wa Ghana ha no ne de obi anya ne nua no obu na afa so papa ka etia mo no se we ntumi mu na bam obekọ so aye de obetun so ye de mmera bi bekọ mra chebedwe fie mu ne age atomu ne ayere wo mo pampe na tumi abo ama sonomante ne bo na obi aton no ne wo pe no yetumi ehunu ne pomesibere.
Cement industry is beginning to detect to the political head of the organization. I'm the political head of trade and manufacture in the country. They are beginning to dictate to me what they want. I don't think it is acceptable. They tell me if you are here, they would have no meetings with me. They do not have any intention of doing anything in public. I don't do things in darkness. I am therefore entreating you, report to the public. I have done my best. I have consistently told the whole Ghana that I have had several meetings with these guys, and they wouldn't comply with my instructions.
Onimonyan for Kwabenata Hero Hammond. One on a yard and says to Kwamra Sebejani, one and a dread swap for any cotton and canon. National organizer, Dima, any people, Manukoya Henry, Nanabuachia, and who teddy in a bee, and the other two just said Dr. Alaji Momudu, Baumia Kwabraji Manyansa container, a jabo, Dr. Macho Poku Prempa, or Dinichian, Pine to a Pemu, no Macopri to me, a Fiaba Tonomono. Oh, when yet Nidin Wakakoche, oh, and penny for chese and when ya salam down one ma try kese headquarters adaje ni poso ya wo mu nyina watwen ye mu se edaya wada obesa de akwa godru neck ho na fedie ya je atum kura ade na ba beto be board so the papa ba wumia e na ebe pretumi afi abato mu na bi e de asem yi de ba beto ni Facebook page a e ne Ghana fo nyina nya bi a say no chiremu efai.
His Excellency the Vice President, as part of his consultation leading to the National Council meeting, you recall that last week he met the leadership in Parliament, that is the majority side, where he informed them of his intention to nominate Dr. Matthew Prempe as the running mate. Today, he followed up to the headquarters. He is a leader of the party. So he met the national officers where, again, he informed us of his intentions to present the Energy Minister, MP for Mencha South, Dr. Matthew Prempe. Section 13 is quite clear that such decision or such nominations will be approved in consultation with the National Council. So the General Secretary has also informed council members and then net members of the meeting on Thursday. So Thursday will be meeting. Thursday, His Excellency the Vice President, the leader of the party, will put before council his need. He settled the Energy Minister. He would also want to inform his people. He is the leader. We are working with him. So
Where you're right, Henry Nana Boache Nana B, National Organizer, Adima NPP was Sukokroko, Amanyo Ko, Poyamanta Muswafo Rasset, Kwame Champon, and our name, a Regional Director of Education, any Penny Phobi, one of my corner, Kufodia, Secondary Technical School, Tech, and now no men da Konya Quenchachil Phobi, Nani Paba Quafa Marshal Woman Kokom Dakana, and shedding, and one some, and now no men Dani as teacher say, Esuku Numa Juma Niba, Kuira Wu to Kojena ye, and I'm so many papa said you know me my four for kai. Ya womu to sa queen. Now one more court, and I'm a sister Sudiko so many quantum soon yesene was en canino, Emricatante, it would do careful be sworn. Wajana wanye, and the guru chesenia mina fair yesenia nebia, and Rodwam Cotumudi and Canipe Buka Numuno, Yan Faba Cocrana Casa, ye diabe guada camosie, ora Prince Apia, no Tika Mubi, and Wabama yese, Emricatante. kwata na wo hyenkanini etuo en woduru ka efe no so no ka ne je ne nsem na kyeso bo ne homoden kura en ankoto amene ni wode kogwasa ba bia nam so mo a wo mo ya adwuma sukuu no mo ejaade emu baako etimi ahwe ne nkwa ya no eno ne nam so ma enu adwade owura set kwame champon wono ko ye kwa ya sabia ho ko hwe wono me yade ebi aprepra wono mu gu wono no a sasem yade bi ebramo no yentie sedi nchemunity.
Looking at the intensity of the fractures, it was a bit scary, but based on the information and the consulting advice, I'm assured that they are in good hands and the team is up to the task. And so they are out of danger zone, and that's all our prayer, that they get out of danger zone and then they come back to join family. Everybody wants to have family and be in a company of family. And so when it comes and happens this way, our prayer is for them to be out of the beds and get back to family. Our prayer again is that it never happens to Sectec again.
Na enwachie na epoyema ntemu director of education maami Ivy Uswa Santoa wonu so di bito so se obekoso a ye bedwam kirekire e de amahyenkafo a wonu keka ka sukuu kasi ahodro se de beye na sa wo hawi eni enwe na yesi na anu memene dai ebi nkosi biewu.
Unfortunate situation that has happened. It's an unfortunate situation that has happened to all of us. The Director General has really been informed, and he extends his condolence and also well wishes to those who are hospitalized. He promised coming today or tomorrow to also come and see them and say hello to them. This morning we've had engagement with the school community. We've encouraged them, we've consoled them. We've also gone to see the bereaved family to also console them.
Yatwaka siabono esona senior research fellow Dima Chamber of Petroleum Consumers Ora Samson Adai and Walker says a bayana petrol boa ye betumi atutu ni ye na atumi agina na yade eboa ban no na ne hihye nyina atumi konkan na ne nam framem se enra eye July bosumi de di kan ye ba be peja petrol boa no mu amu nchemu no enan na from a Jerry Sabwa gas and so up a genu hamunchemuno enum Nina da kofa by America Dora Sanye ni edie now maybe see can womudu musikani and she edie no no do a can who say chinchilla chunchai now a memuni in a diadam pakaya and any pay wono woma to me who can pay a one befaswo was say and she say ya it says a money to me and into me moi Emma Bribiada America Dora Sinis in Bacontoquano yes you want to me a high or Rasam Sade Eddie Assami etu a jar say a casa dear say ye petrol bono se atuma mposi antumom dia no pem kotobi minum dia kwa kosie no se san hye no aka ne mamperidu ajekum kufo bo so pramre so no mu ye bi etimi ye adwumenti aban so ya ebeyi
ebe ka se head na ayese ohun se adwaman so bo no ebia abosome nsia abosome nyansa di enim no ebo no be koso pa eti ebasa da ha na wako babi a oyeto no ono makọ ayi contract say o ebia ese ebo no ene $70 e adwaman so me pese me no ko contract say meto no $80 for the next 6 months no ebo no koso sa na meto no eba fom so sa na meto no eti ebasa na ubo no ejina fa kuma a enkoso ene eti ene fensa head nto yesa na etimi boa yema over top ebo no ebo ba ko sa for the next 6 months abeboa eti eno head no yebetima ye head na me no setima boa eti mi anse yebehwe se adwaman so no trend no ten ebeko na akoye head no na etimi aboa betima boa ye pa ozi fa ho boa no koso adwaman so aye nima mienu asem de kese ma ban na aye arehoma ye yesu ye top petro anse yesu ka na se ye fa timamufo no aye arehoma ye fiam ka se asem de kese ma ban ye se aban no so ebi ye fa
Wey yora Samson Adai esuni ejina no pay na kasebo a yade bram ne yade asi wo ya 21st clinic 15 branches across Ghana oto asintin twetwen edu anadwi wo yiri de ne tuchu enso aye say pampe nya de aniam ekoyie wa kwone entreto santa botu no ma wo watumi asi apetia wo so ne abo mo piafo kuma se ye wo hwan overseas afa radio enchen wo pe enkran do me market achi na ye wo techi magin bangadan dadanum Kransan so ye won Kransan he da dan fie ho oboase council quarters 2A 3A co capsules 3A co capsules ye di betu ya yam team ene esisi yade nyina dan so e de everyone pacha wo ye wo topon wo jawade wo te wo na wudi wa wo da eye mizo ene 5G ene ye de be kwase ami ani mo abenyam asante ye bo Benedict oni samu for penny o chetere so ami ano pay free David mami so di free me kete so abonso nyu abetran kenkan ko so somua Elizabeth Tona na Naire Sodela wono na tena fidie na chima asafo kantanka ni azuka ebo adwuma o MCR ho ano pay opesma kani ohini ni amakranchada zo of mami premeni asantamai ajeme atumo amami divufro bapa amesa muzurumai assalamu alaikum yes sorry amayura oman ya wedubo ache enso de ade ache be adwumadi no abeto aso me ma mo TikTok nyina no pay me chia mo ate mo ma me ya mo nwanwa musimu nim se me kan news me de me ye woman of many colors me bibia bi ai erade hyiram da mo nyina ase